Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Store when it won't open in Windows 11. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is fully loaded and ready to go. Once everything is up and running, you're ready to begin the troubleshooting process. To start fixing the Microsoft Store issue, navigate to your Windows Start menu and click on it. Once the Start menu opens, type in Apps and Features in the search bar and press Enter. This will bring up the Apps and Features window, which displays all the software currently installed on your Windows 11 PC. This window is your central hub for managing applications and their settings. Now, to make navigation easier, locate the search bar at the top of the Apps and Features window. Type in Microsoft Store and click on the result that appears. This will filter the list and bring up the Microsoft Store application specifically. Once you see Microsoft Store in the results, you'll notice an option labeled Advanced Options just below it. Go ahead and click on Advanced Options to proceed. Clicking on Advanced Options will direct you to the Microsoft Store specification page. This page contains detailed information about the app, including storage usage, permissions, and troubleshooting tools. From here, scroll down through the page until you find the Reset section. This section is crucial because it contains options that can help resolve issues with the app's functionality. Within the Reset section, you'll see two main options, Repair and Reset. For this particular issue, simply click on Repair. This action will initiate a repair process for your Microsoft Store app without affecting your personal data or app preferences. The repair tool works by scanning the app for corrupted files or configuration issues and automatically fixing them. This process typically takes just a few moments, so give it a bit of time to complete. Once the repair process finishes, your Microsoft Store should now open without any problems. The repair function is designed to resolve common issues like apps failing to launch or freezing during startup, making it an effective first step in troubleshooting. And that's it. You've successfully repaired the Microsoft Store and resolved the issue preventing it from opening. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.